Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create 2024 collage on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story with 2024 collage template. I'm going to select your story to create an Instagram story. And wait guys, I'm going to click on 2024 collage right here, and you can choose photos or videos from your gallery. And wait, I'm going to select photos from my pins album or pins folder. Okay, and I'm going to pick random photos from here like this. You can choose how many photos that you want, and then once you're done choosing your photos or videos, you can click on next. Okay, and this is how the collage looks like on your story. And before you upload the collage to your story, you'll be able to rearrange the collage like this. Sorry, just tap and hold on the photo you want to rearrange. Okay, you will be able to add music as well to your story, and I'm going to select music, and for instance I'm going to select this one. Okay, the music has been added to my story, and we can also add sticker or maybe text, and I'm going to place it right here guys for the 2024 text. Okay, and if you want to add sticker, you just need to go to the sticker, and then you can choose the sticker that you like. Okay, for the sticker I'm just gonna select this one. Okay, the sticker is right here guys. Okay, and then you can customize the story according to your needs, and once you're ready to share it, you can click on your story, and then the 2024 collage will be shared to your story. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 2024 collage on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.